Russell Brunson just put out a new book called Network Marketing Secrets. So should you get it? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to talk about a new book that just got put out by big time online marketer Russell Brunson. If you don't know who he is, just Google him or look him up on YouTube. He's big time. He's the owner of, or co-owner, whatever, of ClickFunnels. If you're not familiar with ClickFunnels, basically it's a system that allows people to generate leads for their business, whether it be online or offline. ClickFunnels has been around forever and still very, very popular to this day, actually. But anyway, Russell Brunson has put out several different books on marketing, mainly on how to build your brand and how to generate leads for your business. So recently I just seen I was on my Facebook and I seen Network Marketing Secrets by Russell Brunson. I'm like, whoa, I've never heard really Russell Brunson talk about network marketing until now, which tells me that network marketing must be a very profitable business, guys, especially if you got people like Russell Brunson promoting and trying to teach people how to be a successful network marketer. That right there should tell you network marketing might be something you might really want to, jump in. And Robert Kiyosaki, which I did a video a couple weeks ago talking about his thoughts on network marketing. But anyway, so I took a look at the sales page from Russell Brunson. Now keep in mind, I actually got one of his books before called Expert Secrets. Okay, I'll actually put a link to Expert Secrets and Network Marketing Secrets below, so you can check both of them out if you want to. But Expert Secrets, I actually got it, and it took me like 6 months to actually get to it. But when I did, I was like, wow, okay, it's pretty decent. All right, so now I'm wondering, like, okay, well, what's up with Network Marketing Secrets? Okay, so I didn't get this yet, but I went and looked online to see what people were talking about. And overall, it has a lot of good reviews. Now, obviously, some of these people are probably just diehard Russell Brunson fans. And I think some of them are just genuine reviews. And the only negative thing that sort of negative thing that I've seen about Network Marketing Secrets is a lot of people say, well, it's good information, but, he pitches his ClickFunnels program at the end, which he does that because that is his baby. That is his baby product. Like, that's his core product, which is ClickFunnels. Which it makes sense. I'm not gonna knock the book for that, because at the end of the day, he's a businessman, so he's going to promote. But what I was worried about, or what my concern is, okay, is he actually gonna teach something for network marketers? Okay, is it really going to be information that network marketers can really go out there and grab and use and apply to their business? So I was looking for reviews like that, and pretty much the consensus is it is very good information. All right, it is information that people can go out, and this book is catered for network marketers. Now, I will say with Expert Secrets, when you read the book, now I'm being 100% honest with you, yes, ClickFunnels is promoted in Expert Secrets, but keeping it real, you don't need to get it. Like I read Expert Secrets, and I'm like, I don't have ClickFunnels. I mean, I could use it, but I just don't, because I'm using Builderall right now. But it's like the information, you could just take that information and run with it. And I'm assuming that Network Marketing Secrets is probably like that. You probably will get done reading this book, from what I'm seeing from the reviews. You'll probably be like, wow, I learned some stuff. Okay, I need to implement this. I need to do this. I need to do that. But, he does say, like, I could do all of this with ClickFunnels. You know what I mean? So, do you need it? You probably won't need ClickFunnels to get value from Network Marketing Secrets, but I mean, it's up to you at the end of the day. You can get it because right now he has it, you know, that's his marketing. He does give you the book free. You get an actual free copy of it, and all you do is pay the shipping. I think the shipping is like maybe $7-8, whatever. And then you get the actual physical copy of the book. So I mean, if you're into network marketing, just getting started or struggling with it, I would definitely check this out. Be honest with you, pay the $7-8 and get the book. Now keep in mind, he does have like upsells after you get the book and everything, but if you just really want the book, just grab the book, and then you could always go back, you know what I mean, and if there's something that you want, ClickFunnels or something. But I do believe there is going to be some good information in this book that you can apply for your network marketing business, guys. Now, if you are looking for a network marketing company, now I've always talked about it in all my videos, Genesity, hands down. And I think if you're serious about it, Genesity, I've been talking about it for over a year and a half now. We're in the weight loss industry, the marketing industry, the CBD industry. So we got some really high demand products that you could just jump in, guys, and you don't have to worry about spending a whole bunch of money and buying product and inventory, nothing like that. So if you're looking for a legit network marketing company, okay, or you just want a different one, definitely check out Genesity, link below. Keep in mind, I actually am with Genesity, so if you have any questions, you already know you can holler at me, message me, do what you got to do. All right, only if you're serious though. If you're not messing with network marketing, then don't mess with it. All right, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.